There's anxiety among fisherfolk in Salem, St. Anne, as a $26 million project to develop a section of the beach will be rolled out in the coming weeks. Ground was broken yesterday for what the Tourism Ministry boasts will be another premium recreational beach. But fishermen who've occupied the area for decades fear they will be denied access. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
Access to white sandy beaches and glistening waters. The part of paradise Jamaicans fear they're losing to people with deep pockets. Fisherfolk on this beach in Salem, St. Anne are the latest raising concerns.
I don't against the development, but what they are trying to do right now is take away this beach from us.
They said the government want the beach, and which this beach is not for the government, it's for the public, the fisherfolks and also the public.
Meters away, a section of the Salem beach has been made for a $26 million development project.
By strengthening Salem Beach as a destination, we will help to improve the town's tourism economy, diversifies its offerings, and thereby enhance its economic competitiveness.
But the fisherfolk want their piece of the pie.
Yeah, I have a little shop on the beach, and I really like to see the development. Everybody all right. We who on the beach would like the first choice.
And that's not their only concern. Some persons who built shacks along the coastline have been ordered to vacate the area by the National Resources Conservation Authority, NRCA, by December 31.
As an individual like me, we're over 35 years, I'm here. Two things what I'm doing is only fishing all my life and commercial building what I sell work stuff in. So when them take it away now, what they left us and our children to do.
Some persons are even sleeping over there, and you're wondering where it is that they're doing just the daily things that people would need to do.
However, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett sought to quell the concerns.
That development on the other side is phase 2. So, you know, what we talk about inclusive growth, that's what inclusiveness for tourism is all about.
Make adjustment in still ahead.
That is not just a promise, but it's actually something that will come to fruition and before this term ends as well, because it really would do a lot for those persons over there in lifting the quality of life.
And in response to fisherfolk being asked to leave the beach,
well, I'm not aware of any such legal action. The fisherfolks across the road, I think that the discussions can happen in relation to how we develop the area to facilitate them as well as to enable any broader development strategy that is required.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.